In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lens flare and lighting effects in GIMP. GIMP is a powerful, free editing tool that can help you enhance your photos with stunning effects, and adding a lens flare is one of the simplest yet most dramatic enhancements you can make. Whether you're creating digital art, enhancing a photograph, or just looking to learn some new techniques, mastering lens flare effects can significantly elevate your projects. First things first, let's open up your selected image in GIMP. Make sure you have it ready, as this is the canvas where all the magic will happen. Go ahead and start GIMP if you haven't already, and click on File in the top menu, then choose Open. Find your image, select it, and click Open again. Now your photo should be ready for the lens flare effect. Once your image is open, we'll head straight into the lens flare effect. Take a look at your top menu options and find Filters. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. Under this drop-down, locate Light and Shadow and then slide over to select Lens Flare. This is where you can begin to add that beautiful glowing effect. Now with the lens flare dialog box open, you'll need to adjust the position and brightness of your lens flare. A preview of your image appears, along with some additional options. Click anywhere on your image in the preview window to place the lens flare where you want it to appear. If you're not sure where it should go, try positioning it where a light source is present in your image to make it look more natural. The dialog also provides you with sliders for adjusting the brightness and other properties. Take your time to tweak these settings until you achieve the desired look. Remember, subtlety can often create the most realistic effect. Once you're satisfied with the lens flare position and brightness, it's time to apply your changes. Simply click the OK button at the bottom of the lens flare dialog box, and the effect will be added to your image within the GIMP workspace. Your photo now has a captivating lens flare effect that adds depth and intrigue. Finally, let's export your newly enhanced image so you can share it or store it. Head back to the File menu at the top, then click on Export. A window will pop up, prompting you to name your file and choose the format for saving it. Consider exporting in a high-quality format like PNG or JPEG for best results. Once you've set everything the way you like, just hit Export. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to add lens flare and lighting effects in GIMP. Practice these steps, experiment with different images and settings, and soon you'll find your artistic voice shining through each project. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.